Months of practice, endless preparation all for this day. What if CAT exam doesn't go as you've expected? What if CAT exam tanks?
यार मुझे लगा कि ज्यादा मुश्किल था, मैंने इतना एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था इतना टफ आएगा।
क्या एक्सपेक्टेड है? परसेंटाइल कितना आएगा, क्या होगा?
मेरे हिसाब से 80% आसपास आ जाना चाहिए।
Let's look at cold numbers and practical reality, students. Out of 2.5 to 3 lakh applicants, only 5,000 to maximum 10,000 students make it to top IIMs or non-IIMs. So that means majority of the students, that is 95% of students, either have to re-attempt the exam or look for different career opportunities. So what after CAT exam? What after graduation? Hi, this is Deepika Avasthi. I'm your VARC educator. I have 12 years of experience in teaching verbal section of various aptitude exams, and in this video I'm going to give you 5 practical career opportunities which you can go for and learn some skills as well as earn some money. So option number 1, other management exams. Yes, right, do not put all your eggs in one basket. Go for other management exams like SNAP exam, NMAT exam, XAT, TIS. If you're going for one exam, you can also fill out college forms, right? Maybe like, because if you see SNAP exam, just giving SNAP exam is not enough. You have to apply for various programs like SIBM Pune, SCM HRD, SIB, etc. So keep applying to, at least you have to have 10 to 12 options. If you're very sure on, you have to go ahead with the MBA first. If you are not very sure on MBA, you just want good career opportunities, second option, students, is government exams. Yes, you can go for good government exams where the exam is similar to CAT exam. I mean, aptitude is either similar or easier, and your career opportunity or career trajectory in terms of learning, pay package is somehow similar to what a management trainee gets initially. So I would recommend you can go for RBI grade B, RBI officer, IBPS PO, SBI PO, IBPS RRB, LIC AO position, and NABARD grade A position. These are the, I would say, government exams or positions where the exam is similar to CAT exam and the pay package is also far better than many other government exams. Third option is you can become an aptitude trainer, a verbal, quant or DLR trainer. If you do not want to teach, you can make some mocks, questions, content for coaching centers. If you are not at all interested in academia, so you can go for certifications like digital marketing, data analyst, a financial analyst, business analyst, management consultancy, etc. Next option is campus placements. Yes, always open to campus placement option. Just because you're applying for something, just do not depend on that, and see if you can give your best in campus placements interview, since aptitude exam is also quite easier or similar to CAT exam, isn't it? In case your college doesn't invite a lot of companies for jobs, you can definitely apply by yourself. You can go to relevant organizations in your area where you live or where your hostel is, and just go to reception or HR, give them your resume, talk a bit, and trust me, it definitely gives a better impression, because this does not really happen these days. People mostly apply online, so if you go by yourself, there are very high chances that you'll be called at least for an interview. They will be interested in talking to you. The next option is make sure you have a profile on Indeed.com, Naukri.com, and LinkedIn.com, because the best career opportunities in this year as well as next year will be only on these 3 platforms and not anywhere else. So make sure you have your profile there with your updated resume, and just keep checking for notifications in case somebody is interested in your profile or maybe try to approach you. Last, 5th very good opportunity for a fresher is either to work in founder's office or as EA, executive assistant. Now, executive assistant is a very different position than PA. A lot of people misunderstand EA with PA. No, PA is something very, I would say, personal position where you're helping with a lot of running errands, a lot of unnecessary, unprofessional things for your boss just to make the life easier. EA is much more analytical, professional. It is a job which needs some smartness. You have to take care of operations, marketing, sales, alliances, right? You have to take care of different departments in place of your founder, in case your founder either is unavailable or just to again make some things easier, some work easier for your founder. So I feel EA job is very good for a fresher because you directly work with founders, with CEOs, you get very good experience, very good exposure, and actually it helps you with other job. In case you're trying to re-attempt some certain exams, this experience will definitely help you. One bonus tip I would like to give you, all of you, that is, please start working on yourself, or keep working on yourself if you have already started. Because if you keep upskilling yourself, if you keep working on your critical analytical thinking skills, if you keep working on your physical health, it will definitely pay off in the long run. So no matter what you're doing right now, if you're preparing for exams, if you're already working, looking for better opportunities, just constantly improving yourself, maybe 1% every day will go a long way. Do not leave that, no matter what you're doing right now or what you do in future. So thank you so much everyone for listening to me. I hope these ideas and suggestions must have helped you. Do not forget to join the Telegram group, because there we share daily quizzes, PDFs regarding verbal sections. It definitely helps in your preparation. You can also follow us on Instagram for similar content.